Well, good morning, everybody, and thanks for stopping by and taking this time to listen to what I have to say. Today is Tuesday, September the 8th of 2009. Woohoo! The first day of school over here in our part of Ontario, in Brampton. Many schools here in Brampton started the first day of school. I started off the morning by my alarm clock going off, and I was laying there for a few minutes, and then I finally got up. I went to the washroom, and then I went to get Julia up. Julia was still sleeping, and I had to take her out of her bed, and I told her to take her time to wake herself up and to get dressed. So I went back into my room, did what I needed to do, got myself dressed, went back and I helped Julia as she was partly dressed. Then I did her hair and I made her bed, and I brought the laundry downstairs, and I gave her breakfast, and I had my breakfast as well. And in the midst, I separated the laundry, did one load of laundry, which I'm going to be switching to the dryer in a few minutes, and I did a load of dishes, washed those up by hand, and put what I could in the dishwasher. And Brian got up and got ready after breakfast, after I cleaned up. I'm pretty sure he brushed her teeth, but I think I'm going to brush them after lunch, just to be on the safe side, because sometimes he doesn't do such a good job, or he'll forget to actually brush her teeth. So I just do it, just to be on the safe side. He got some wonderful pictures, which I'm going to be looking at and loading up soon. I'm going to have to put them together. I don't know how it's going to work, but it might be a little while before I get them up here, but I'm going to be loading them to the computer. He got some great pictures out in the hallway and pictures of us walking to school. Julia was a little bit upset because she was upset that she was losing some of her older friends that were going to grade 1. But some of her old friends came back, which was nice. And she was also going to be making some new friends. And there were some new friends that we were looking forward to having Julia have the chance to meet, who also live in our building. And I think little Corey, I think that's his name. Yeah, Corey. He was talking with his mom, and I think he kind of took an interest to Julia. I have to say Julia's a cute little girl, and the boys like her, especially Seth, which I'm really excited about. So we'll see who other boys like Julia. And so far, other than that, I'm thinking we're having a wonderful day to the beginning of the first year on the first day. Mrs. G did the same as usual, took a photograph of the parent and the child that came to drop their child off. We waited till the end because Julia was a little bit upset and she was going to do it when we came back to pick her up. So we managed to get a really nice group photo of me and Brian and Julia sitting on the side of the sandbox. And we had a bee that was kind of greeting us. So I'm wondering if that was a good thing. But it didn't really bother us that much. But other than that, Julia went in and found her cubby, and I'm sure she had a wonderful morning. And I go to pick her up with Brian for 11:15, so I have enough time here to do a little bit of watching some videos, and gonna load up these pictures and clean up my desk here. So what else can I tell you guys? Last night was good. I actually went to bed early. I laid in bed and watched a little TV with Brian. Spent some time. and then I went to sleep. Julia was having a tough time going to bed, but finally she did. And I'm hoping today that she'll get a little bit of an hour to 2 hour nap, maybe longer. This way she can stay up a little bit longer tonight and won't be so tired tomorrow because she had that little nap. The weather here is beautiful. They were calling for some rain, but it might hold off. It's a high of 24 with a little bit of cloud, and it's a little bit cool but nice. The cats went on the balcony for a little bit, and then, well, actually, I don't think Hannah actually did. No, Patch went on the balcony, and then she came back in. And then Hannah was thinking about it, and then I guess decided not to. But I better go check my laundry and get my stuff done here. But I'll be back a little later to let you know how things actually went this morning for Juliet. I'm very excited to be able to have the opportunity to have the 2.5 hour break again. Tomorrow, Julia will not be going to school because we have to go to the dentist. How fun is that? But it's just for a regular routine checkup. So I'm going to make sure that we have our teeth brushed and all clean and ready to go for tomorrow. And then we're right back to normal for good old Thursday. So instead of having a 4-day week, we actually have a 3-day week because she'll be back to school on Thursday and then Friday. And then Friday evening, Pam and Jason and Julia and myself, while Brian's at work, will be at the mall doing our little bit of banking and running around and just having a good time together and having dinner and doing whatever Pam and Jay need to do. But also I'd like for all of you to take a little moment and say a little prayer for my uncle, who is Brian's brother. That's my father, the one that I mentioned who passed away in 1985 of October. So if you guys could say a little prayer for my uncle, that would be appreciative, because this morning he went into surgery. The last 2 weeks he's been having some difficulties with the brain, and they found a brain tumor, and they're going to remove it and try to get everything they can. So I'm hoping his daughter, who is my close cousin, will keep me informed today or later on or sometime and let me know how things are going, as I need to tell my sister. I went to tell her last night, as I told my cousin. I said, well, I'll go tell her right now, and she says that'll be good. But Pam was fast asleep, and I didn't really want to bother her, and I couldn't catch her this morning, so I will be telling her as soon as she gets home tonight from work, and we'll just deal with it as it comes. But he's in my thoughts and in my prayers, and I hope everything turns out all right and nothing major happens, as we don't need to lose another person in the family. Nobody does. But I'm off to do my things. Have a wonderful day, and just keep watching, and I'll keep you informed. All right? God bless. Love you all.